Are you trying to add your card on Cash App but keep getting the dreaded invalid card number error? Don't worry, you're not alone. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. Stick with me until the end because I'll share the ultimate solution that works even if everything else fails. First, let's rule out the simplest issue, your internet connection. Open your phone's settings, tap Wi-Fi, and make sure you're connected to a stable network. Slow or unstable internet can cause this error. Next, make sure your phone's software is up to date. Go back to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Running the latest version of iOS or Android helps avoid compatibility issues. Another common culprit is a VPN. If you're using one, it may interfere with Cash App's servers. Go to Settings, look for VPN or Device Management, and turn the VPN off temporarily. Then try adding your card again. Now update the Cash App itself. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Cash App, and check if an update is available. An outdated app can easily throw card verification errors. If it's still not working, sign out and sign back into your Cash App account. This refreshes your session and clears any temporary glitches. Still no luck? Go ahead and restart your phone. This clears background processes and resets your connection. And finally, if the problem persists, try offloading or reinstalling Cash App. On iPhone, go to Settings, greater than General, greater than iPhone storage, find Cash App, choose Offload App, then reinstall it. On Android, just uninstall and reinstall from the Play Store. And there you go. Follow these steps in order, and that invalid card number error should be gone for good. If this video helped you out, give it a like. Share it with someone facing the same issue, and subscribe for more quick Cash App fixes and money tips.